Dear friends, all of you know that the software job is very lucrative and attractive job. Indian software engineers are preferred across the globe because the India is the second largest English speaking country in the world. English is the language of software development. Career prospects are also great in software field. New technologies arrive on the scene all the time. So, for keen learners, the programming field is the perfect one. People get very good salaries in software field. Further, people get foreign visit opportunities also. In fact, many software professionals are settling abroad. However, the aspirants get software jobs only after graduation in India. Degree completed or engineering completed or MBA or MCA completed candidates only get software jobs. However, the scenario is changing very slowly. Indian IT industry has been choosing or selecting the candidates who completed intermediate or plus 2 or class 12. The Indian multinational company HCL Technologies released HCL Tech Bee 2022 program to select such candidates, that is who completed their intermediate or plus 2 or class 12. Let us understand the complete selection process. As part of this one, first of all, let us understand about HCL Technologies. HCL Technologies is an Indian multinational IT company which provides IT services and consulting. In fact, it is into many domains like Internet of Things, cloud computing, automation, cybersecurity, analytics, infrastructure management, and engineering services. So, in all these domains, it provides services and consulting, having headquarters in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. And it was founded almost 45 years back in the year 1976, and its founder is Mr. Shivnadar. And its revenues crossed 85,665 crore rupees and number of employees. Generally, HCL Technologies do not call them as employees. In fact, HCL Technologies call them as ideapreneurs. So, number of ideapreneurs is 2,11,000, more than that. And it operates in more than 52 countries, and its customers include leading enterprises, more than 250 of Fortune 500 companies and more than 650 of Global 2000 companies. Now let us look at eligibility criteria for HCL Tech Bee program. The candidates should have passed class 12 or intermediate or plus 2. Either in the year 2021 or in 2022, and the candidates whose results are still awaited are also eligible. And when it comes to job role, there are three different types of job roles. First one, it is IT roles, second one it is service desk, and the third one it is business process. Based on the job role, the eligibility criteria changes. If we look at the first one, that is overall percentage of marks in class 12, it must be minimum 60% for all three different types of job roles. And when it comes to the requirement of mathematics or business mathematics, that is the second criteria. It is compulsory for IT roles and service desk, mandatory. and it is not required in case of a business process. So second criteria, that is mathematics or business mathematics requirement. It is mandatory for IT roles and service desk and not required for business process. And the last criteria, that is marks in mathematics or business mathematics. It must be minimum 60% in case of IT roles, and pass marks is enough in case of service desk and not applicable in case of a business process. So if you notice very carefully, in case of IT roles, minimum 60% marks is required, and mathematics or business mathematics requirement is required, and minimum 60% marks in mathematics or business mathematics is required. And what are all the advantages or benefits if you enter into HCL Tech Bee program? The first and foremost point that is to be noted is it is a truly global program because it runs both in India and also abroad. In India, the program is available in several cities that include Noida, Lucknow, Madurai, Chennai, Nagpur, Bengaluru, Vijayawada and Hyderabad. And it even available in other countries like Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Australia and New Zealand, which means it is truly a global program, and facilities like medical insurance, family insurance and reimbursement in case of periodical health checkups and several discounts and deals, these are also available. And next it is the candidates will be enrolled into early career program, which is nothing but work and study program. That is, candidates will work simultaneously, the candidates will study. So earn and learn, such kind of program it is, and the candidates will be financially independent after class 12. The candidates need not depend on parents or siblings, and they will be financially independent because the candidates will be getting a stipend of rupees 10,000 per month during internship for about 12 months. Later, the candidates will be employed in full-time jobs with the HCL Technologies itself, with an annual salary of 1.7 to 2.2 lakhs per annum. And at the same time, the candidates can pursue UG degree or PG degree. Some of the universities even permit PG degrees also. So the candidates can pursue UG degree or PG degree from world's reputed educational institutions like BITS Pilani or Amity University or Shastra University. By the time they complete this HCL Tech Bee program, if at all the candidate completes UG degree, the candidate will be getting 3 to 4 years of work experience also. So if we look at higher education opportunities with HCL Tech Bee program, all the classes will be conducted at HCL campuses itself, which means the candidates need not go anywhere because the classes will be conducted at the HCL campuses itself. So these are known as work integrated learning program. Work integrated learning program, and another specialty is the fee will be partially funded by HCL Technologies. And if we look at BITS Pilani, it offers courses like BSc Design and Computing, BSc Data Science, and PG programs like MSc and MTech. And when it comes to Amity University, it offers 3-year programs like BBA or BCom or BCA. And the novelty here is all these programs are online courses. All of them are online courses and candidates need not go to HCL campuses for these programs. Further, Amity University provides discounts and scholarships to HCL Tech Bee students or employees. And when it comes to Shastra University, it offers UG program BCA and PG program MCA, and it offers classes at HCL campus. So what is the career path if a candidate enters into HCL Tech Bee program? The candidate enters into this program with class 12 and comes out with UG degree or PG degree with 4 to 5 years of work experience with a regular salary also. And as part of this program, the candidate will undergo classroom training for 6 to 9 months and on the job training program for another 3 to 6 months. So during this training program, that is the classroom training and on the job training program, the candidate will be getting stipend. After that, the candidate will be entering into HCL technologies with a regular job, and at the same time the candidate will pursue higher degree also. So this one runs for 3 to 4 years. So altogether, after 3 years or 4 years, the candidate will be getting one UG degree and 4 to 5 years of work experience, depending on the type of course the candidate has chosen. There are some courses which run for 4 years. So plus 1 year training program. Together it becomes 5 years. And if you look at the selection process, there are 3 phases. First one, it is registration. Candidate should register in HCL Tech Bee website. Then the candidate has to appear for aptitude test, which includes quantitative, logical reasoning and language abilities. And lastly, there will be a face-to-face interview. In this way, there are total 3 phases in selection process of HCL Tech. And the important points that are to be noted is, first one, there is no fee for a recruitment or processing or security deposit. In all these modes, HCL Technologies does not collect any fee. And there are no vendors or partners for offering this program, and it is solely offered by HCL Training and Staffing Services. And after completion of the training program, the students will be placed in HCL Technologies itself, and all the communications and offer letters will be released from official HCL email IDs which end with @hcl.com. That is, the candidates will not be receiving communications or offer letters that end with general domains like @gmail.com or @yahoo.com. All the official communications or offer letters will be released directly from official HCL email IDs which end with @hcl.com. Further, all the offers are also posted in Candidate Access portal. So all the very best to all the aspirants of HCL Tech Bee 2022.